factorial number in C programming. First, we have to declare the header file #include stdio.h. It is used for input-output operations or functions. So next, we have to declare the main function because the program starts with the main function. Then initializing the variable as int I, fact equal to 1, initializing the fact value as 1. Then initializing the variable number. Printf is used to get the input from the user as enter the number. So we must enter only the positive values because there is no factorial for negative value. Scanf, it is used to read the input given by the user and stores in a variable called number. So let us assume the user entered input is 5 and let's find the factorial for the number 5. Now the I value is 1. So 1 is less than equal to 5. Condition true, enters into for loop fact equal to fact into I, that is already initialized the fact value as 1. So 1 into the I value is 1, that is equal to 1. Now 1 is stored in fact and then the number is incremented. Now it becomes 2. So 2 is less than equal to 5. Condition true, enters into for loop, then finds the factorial for 2. Now already the fact value is 1. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Now the number 2 is stored in fact and then the number is incremented using I++. So now the value becomes 3. 3 is less than equal to 5. Condition true, enters into for loop and finds factorial. So already the fact value is 2. So 2 into I value is 3. So that is equal to 6. Now the number 6 is stored in fact and then the number is incremented using I++. The value becomes 4, I value. So 4 is less than equal to 5, condition true. It enters into for loop, finds the factorial for 4, that is already the fact number is 6. So 6 into 4 becomes 24. Now 24 is stored in fact and then the number is incremented. The I value becomes 5. 5 is less than equal to 5. Condition true, enters into for loop, finds the factorial, that is fact equal to fact into I. Now the already fact number is 24. So 24 into 5 equal to 120. Now the value 120 is stored in fact and then the value of I is incremented to 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. Condition false because the number 6 is greater than 5 or it is not equal to 5. So it comes out of for loop, then prints the factorial of the number 5 is 120. So entering the number 5, we get the output as factorial of 5 is 120.